slime time! I'm so excited. Whoa, that's not what I was expecting. We got, whoa, oh, that was not good. Slime just went everywhere. Ew. The smell is absurd. I'm taken aback. Why did I not think it would smell like pickle? Whoa. Whoa. This just got really not fun to play with. Pickle slime. You know, in my head, I was like, I can't believe pickle slime is on sale. Doesn't everybody want pickle slime? It smells wretched. And like, how does one get out of a jar? I want to feel the pickle. The smell is really bad. The pickles are hard. The pickles are hard. I repeat, the pickles are hard. I will be giving this slime away if anybody wants pickle slime. It's brand new.